to my vlog. If you're new, my name is Meg and I am a Gen Xer who was diagnosed with ADHD as a way older adult, and this is just me trying to navigate my life. So if you like this content, please feel free to like and subscribe, and let's get on with it. So today, oh gosh, so my AC unit is the way they built it. It's like on a piece of plywood. The air handler, it's crap, and it leaked into my office or bedroom closet. It's like a little walk-in closet. So I had to take all of the boxes out. Thankfully, I did not really ruin anything, except there's like a big red splotch on my carpet. And then I had to buy a wet dry vac to suck up all the water. And I'm gonna do another pass again. And it kind of went into my guest bedroom, the second bedroom, I guess. And I called the AC guy because it probably needs to be serviced. Maybe it got too cold. I did flush it out from the outside. So I'm over it. I feel like just ripping out all the carpet, but I'm not, because ADHD, we tend to be very all or nothing drastic, and instead of having a hissy fit, I'm going to regroup. So people with ADHD do not like mess. We just don't. We can clean and clean if it's not our stuff, because I'm looking at it and I'm like, I don't want to get rid of that. It's like we're like hoarders of nostalgic stuff. And that's kind of what I have a lot of, like nostalgia. It's not so much things that just like anything. It's just I like my little knickknacks and tchotchkes and collectibles. However, today I started to really clean my kitchen because, you know, when I clean, I cleans. So let me show you kind of what I did so far. It still looks nasty, but it's getting there. Let's start. Okay, so first off, if you have ADHD and you're watching this, not only do I have the AC issue, my bicycle broke, so I can't take my dog out on bike rides. I keep getting weeds growing in the cracks in my driveway, like the separated part. I put silicone down and more weeds came up. I can't make this shit up. I have so much going on and it's just so hard to keep up with everything. But as they say, if you have a cluttered mess, you have a cluttered mind. So I'm trying to unclutter the mess in my mind so that I can react appropriately to these situations, because it's life and it will happen. So if you have ADHD, I want to tell you this, and I'm telling myself as well, it's going to be okay. It's going to work out. And if I'm meant to move, then that opportunity will come. And if I'm not, then I will do some more renovating. I don't know. But anyway, let's get started. All right. So the thing is, if I put it in, see, it doesn't fit. I forgot where I put it before. Oh, you know what? I put it in a cabinet over here. So I had it like, hold on, I'm coming. So I had it in a cabinet here, which also, if you have ADHD, we're very creative. So I painted these cabinets, painted them, and these are black. And so just so you know. So I think what I did was I put it in here. No, but then it doesn't close. So maybe I had it under here with the cleaning stuff because it's a bigger cabinet, and yeah, I did. And then I could just put it right there. And then something's blocking it. All right. I kind of don't like it because I don't want to mess up my paint job. Decisions. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stick it on the outside of this. It's going to look tacky as hell, but hey, we're all about convenience and keeping clutter off the counters. This is just gonna have to do. If I sell, it'll go back in the bathroom. Here's my new steamer I got from Amazon because I hate ironing. I will not iron. And distilled water. And I found a penny. abundance. Let me ask you, ADHD people, how many freaking cables do we need? Like, I have cables upon cables upon cables. I probably have my old Nokia phone cable. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna clean this counter. I'm not gonna drain out this toaster because I haven't used it in a really long time. It's just really pretty and it costs a lot of money. This thing, yeah, that's going under there. My block, my butcher block. And my cheese thingy, my cheesy. And we're gonna spray. It's probably a good idea to take this off, because that's gross. So I'm gonna spray the counter, and let's kick it. How many of you say, like, old Gen X things? Things like, no duh, and let's kick it. You know, stuff like that. I do. I'm so old school, it's like borderline corny. Now, it is corny. It's not even borderline. It's just bad. So, like, really needs a lot of spray. And I also messed up, like, when I did the tiling here, so that's just my quirk. It's just the charm of my house. Yeah, that feels good. Not too dirty. Kel's surprise. Okay. And now I can put this back. Los trobos. Oops. That's not right. Look at that. That's awesome. All right. Then, oh, my knives. My knives. Sorry, I kind of sound wired. I am. Let's put the knives over there. And I'll put your block. Or should I do it like this? Yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't know. Let's just go with it. And then I'm going to put my candle. All right, that's done. Now I'm going to put this stuff in my pantry, which is way over here. Foil, yada, yada, yada. All right. I'm gonna spray there. This is gonna be a tough job because look at this shit. Coffee. This is my coffee station, and it's nasty, nasty. I'm singing about myself. Gross. That's disgusting. So let it soak for a minute. Alright, minutes up. And we're scrubbing, dubbing. Ugh. Sucks. I hate cleaning. Oh! Here's another question I have for you ADHDers. Do you ever get this? This is a really weird and random. When I clean stuff with like a lot of like cleaners, even if it's not bleach or anything, or I do the dishes, my hands get really dry. But not only do my hands get dry, it's like my legs and my feet get dry too. And it's not like I'm cleaning with my toes. It's just, I don't know. Do you guys get that? Because it's weird. I can't explain it. I feel like a snake, like ready to like shed its skin. It's disgusting. And I even kind of feel it after I take a shower and like put stuff on. Well, not so much, but because I got this new stuff and it really helps with my aging old dry skin. But Yeah, I just wanted to know if anybody out there has the same issues. You may have it as a younger person, because I've had that issue for I don't even know how long. I kind of remember it from when I was a kid. Something to think about. So I have a really big island. Excuse the mess. I got shit everywhere. But I think it's like a little over 9 or 10 feet long. It's great. I mean, it's awesome. However, it's also the bane of my existence, because it's like my landing spot. And that's not good at all. Another thing I wanted to show you, it's an ADHD hack. It is a little mini garbage bag thing holder. I got it from Amazon. I think it was like 2 for like $8. And then what I do is I have one here right next to my stove, so that if I'm cooking something and I need to like throw something out, I just throw it in here, because when you have ADHD, the garbage, walking 4 or 5 steps is too much effort. So this is perfect, because when it's full and I'm going to throw out the regular garbage into the cans outside for garbage pickup, I just swing by and pick this up and throw it out too. Very cool hack. So this is what this side of the kitchen looks like. And I'll bring it back some. Done. Believe it or not, I did quite a bit today, but I do need to go and use a wet dry back on the carpet again and get this done before daylight goes away. It's done for the most part. I still gotta mop and finish those dishes and stuff, get everything away, but let's see how long this stays. Okay. This is a continuation of my ADHD and cleaning out the clutter and uncluttering the mind. And I got so busy that from Saturday night to Sunday, I finally got sleep. And the one night that I get sleep, I wake up to a bunch of missed calls that an old friend of mine has passed away. And he was young, and I'm devastated. I basically sat and stared at the 4 walls yesterday, and I really didn't do much. I couldn't function, and I don't know. I can't even concentrate today. There's just so many answers, so many things I don't know yet. So many could've, would've, should've's, and it was sudden, it was surprising, and I'm devastated. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this, but I have a game tonight, Monday Night Football. I don't want to go, but I think if I continue to sit here and think about things, that it's just going to be worse. So I just got to keep moving. Has anyone had this, like, with having ADHD? Like, I don't deal with this well, so I don't know. How do you navigate through this? So comment below if you have anything you could offer. It's awful.
another awesome setting.